Hello beautifuls, hope you're doing very fine. So today I'm going to show you how to install sister lock. So step one, I'm going to tie a knot at the end of the hair. As you can see, at the edges of the hair, I'm going to tie a small knot like that until I pull it backwards, upwards. Then I start from the scroll, then I insert it. I slide in my finger, divide it into two, then I take the edge of the hair, put it in between the two fingertips. As you can see, I'm pulling with the index finger, then using the thumb finger to make it wider. As you can see, I'm doing both sides, different sides. As I'm doing the different sides, I'm pulling up, then in the middle, different side, apart, in the middle, apart. Let's pick it from up and then like that until where I reach a point where I cannot my finger cannot fit, or where I cannot do the parting into two. So after I do like that, using my fingertip and my thumb finger, I'm going to use a crochet to do it, to continue from where I cannot fix in my finger. So when I pick up the crochet, I'm going to do it again on both sides, different ways, but I'm going to interlock it with the pin of the crochet. As I continue with my finger, as you can see, I'm putting the finger in. I'm not going to pick that crochet which I told you about. And then I fix it in between. You see, my finger cannot fit in there and divide it into two, so I'm going to lock it inside and then pull it out. Fix inside, then the edge of the hair, make sure that it fits in the loop, it fits in the loop like that, then pull it out. Sometimes it's so annoying, but if you get to learn it, you're going to be so fast. So I'm using a mannequin. When I'm using a mannequin, the hair is so shaggy, so it cannot come out clear. But if it's a human being, basically it will come out clean and clear and neat work. So for me, I'm using a mannequin, so that's why it's becoming like that. I used a mannequin so that I can be able to teach you how to do it, and that's how it came out. That's our sister lock number one. So I'm going to put it like that at the back. So I'm going to show you step number two. In step number two, I'm going to part it, then put it there behind. I'm going to make a 3-strand braid, like 3-strand braid. I'm going to make a loose one, not a tight one, just make a loose 3-strand braid like that, loose one, like 4 to 5 times. Then pull it up until the edge, at the edge of the hair. As you can see, it depends with the length of the, it's not a must, it's supposed to be long, it can be even a short hair. Then I do the same thing as I did in step one, inserting my finger, separating it into two with a thumb finger, then pulling the edge in between the two fingers like that and pulling it out, in and out, in and out, onwards until I reach into a certain point that I cannot do that with my fingers. As you can see, I'm pulling it, finger, thumb, pinch it outward, insert, outside. I'm inserting and outwards, insert and then outwards. I pull it outside, and then when I'm doing that, I make sure that I pull my two fingers, or my thumb or my index finger, upwards, so that I can make a firm one, not a firm one, but at least it can come out a clear one, and it can come out sister lock, in short. What I like about this hairstyle is that it is simple, and it's not bulky. It's bulky, and then at the same time it's not heavy, and you cannot struggle to stay with. It adds the length of your hair. If you want to undo it, you can let it have growth, then chop at the edges, or you can do it with a pin. It's easy to maintain. I love this hairstyle because it's easy to maintain. So the third one, I'm going to use a twist. That step, I'm going to use twist like that, then pull it out until that certain length, Then do the same thing as I did in step 1 and in step 2. As I'm doing that thing, at the edge you can notice that it is not yet done. On the edge I'm going to use a twist. At the end you will see I'm going to use twist. So this point I've reached that I cannot put my finger, so I used a crochet. So there's always a crochet and there's always a plastic needle that, or a wooden needle, that it can help you to do this one neatly and smartly and so quick. So about this hairstyle, please don't fail to contact me or comment on the section below so that I may be able to take you through again. We can do it live if you want to. We do it together at your side and at my side. Please don't fail to request, because I'm here for you and you're here for me. So don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing is very free. And don't forget to like. If the work really impressed you or it really helps you, don't forget to subscribe. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.